Hello and welcome to a product demo of IBM ECM System Monitor version 5.6. ESM gives insight into the health of your business automation platform, monitoring both traditional and containerized components in one single point of control. You see detailed events, capacity metrics, and performance metrics, including synthetic user checks to get a better understanding of your end-user experience. The ESM operating dashboard enables me to analyze these events and metrics from different points of view and understand them in the context of dependencies. Filters help reduce the noise and get to the root cause much faster. When I select Systems in the navigation bar, the sidebar shows me a tree view of all my systems and their associated subsystems, such as my application servers or database. I can see the overall worst severity and the worst severity of the various subsystems, making it easier to identify the culprit. In the overview, I see the current incidents, pre-filtered by severity like warning or higher. Tags group information and make filtering faster and more intuitive, for example by system type like CPE or data cap. When I select an incident, I can see the details and the timeline with samples. This timeline can tell me if a warning alert is just a peak at the moment or the beginning of a trend that is not my friend. With ESM, the DBA Administrators and IT operators get the relevant information filtered from the noise, so they can pinpoint problems faster and be more proactive. In the tab Probes, I can see all probes at a glance and again, select an individual probe to view the details. To adjust the settings of probes, to execute them ad hoc or to deactivate them, I can access them from here or from the probes view in the navigation bar. Here I specify which elements I want to monitor, for example the search performance for a specific object store. The frequency in which a metric is checked depends on its criticality. The more important or dynamic a parameter is, the more frequently I will check it. In the evaluation table, I define when the warning or critical alert will be issued, depending on the thresholds I want to use. Depending on the event, a predefined task can be triggered automatically by the event, so the issue can be fixed more quickly. Examples are tasks to restart a component that has failed, or to send events and metrics to central solutions like IBM Instana Observability. These events and metrics will then be visible in Instana, along with other events and metrics from your IT ecosystem. ESM augments your central tools with application-specific events from your Content and Workflow platform, enabling IT operations to be alerted in their standard console 24/7, without reinventing the wheel. IBM ECM System Monitor gives your administrators deep insight into their business automation platform, including the middleware components which might not be under their control, as well as a better understanding of your end-user experience. They get relieved from mundane manual checks, become more proactive and more productive, so they can reduce the mean time to resolve problems and focus on higher value work. And ESM helps them to stop the blame game, making their life easier and reducing the mean time to innocence. But how do I get there? Talk to us and we will find a solution approach that fits your needs. Thank you.